What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Family Fitness. It's your boy David, and today you guys are coming to work with me. Unfortunately, I'm already here. I have Carlos and the guys in the room. I don't know if I mentioned this before or if you guys see my Instagram stories or my Instagram posts. We have a unit that we are installing right now as we're speaking due to a change, and the owner and the engineer didn't accept it, so it was keep getting rejected and revised like so many times until they finally came with an agreement on how they want the unit. So we got the unit hung. Now we're installing the ductwork, and we got the outdoor unit installed as well. I'm gonna show you guys where the indoor unit is, and here is a location of the outdoor unit. They specifically closed this area due to the change. They're gonna put some boulders to make sure that when cars park here, they don't run into this unit. Hey guys, here it is, guys. The big monster. I got two guys up there connecting the ductwork. Here's a better angle. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Thank you. Yo, me and Carlos are good at doing takeoffs. Look at that takeoff. That takeoff looks good. So we made it to 7900, as you can see. We're here. Carlos is ready. I'm about to suit up so we can go do what we gotta do for this mock-up, which we're gonna be working on the side of the building, so we're gonna have to get into a boom lift. He has his harness on, and he got me a harness too. So let me suit up. Let's get it. We got the stencil that we needed. Oh look, my job, which is originally my job, Marriott headquarters hotel. And we are going down to the boom lift because we're gonna go do this mock-up on the side of the building, which I got my boy Carlos to help me out. We're all the way to the 17th floor, going all the way to the ground floor. So just to inform you of this change that we have going on, okay? I know there's a lot of writing and everything. The only important thing that I need to focus on is this side. I need to keep tight to the edge of the window of each one, but we're gonna be doing a mock-up on the second floor, which is right there. Okay, so we gotta do a 6 and a 4. And the other dimension is the 8-1, which is the bottom of the floor up to the center to each pipe. Okay, so those are the only two important dimensions that I am looking for and that I need. Carlos is starting up the machine so we can use. Sorry if you guys can't hear me well talking. It's because I have to have the face mask on because we're in Maryland. And then Maryland right now is one of the, I guess, most populated with the COVID-19. And then to enter to this job, you have to get a bracelet. So you have to get your temperature scanned. And if they see that you have some symptoms, they'll ask you questions every time you walk into the building. Carlos, you need help? Yes, guys, I have driven one of these before. When I first started back in 2012, I have driven this one. I have driven this one. I have driven a forklift, small forklift, scissor lifts. You name it, I'm not scared to use it. If I don't know, I'll learn, trust me. You need help again? Okay, hold on. So that's the noise that we need to hear every time we want to move the machine. Dale. There we go. All right, you got it. Okay. That's going in. This. Okay, we are level. You drive or me drive? You. It's alive. See, I still got it. Whoosh. Carlos. Ooh. 20 hours later. I went to the bathroom to see if he already got the machine running or moved forward, which we need to get it to this location. I think he's having trouble again. Carlos, you got it? What happened?
I don't know.
That was not a good sound.
Oh.
The first mock-up was not on the second floor. We're actually going to the third and hopefully reach to the fourth floor. So let's get it. Holy. All right, guys. We didn't record going up to the third floor because right now the machine is at its max height. I don't know if you guys can tell this, but this is high as a mother flower. And we're so close to the window. As you can see, we're so close to the window that the basket, since we're up high, it moves so much that we can shatter the window. So we're gonna try to be really careful. That's why we have this corner like touching the building. So we're trying to stay away from the window. So you know, if you guys ever use a tape measure, the longer and further you go, it gets weaker and weaker and it bends. It's almost the same thing. So that's why there's a limit. And only 2 people can be in a lift. Holy, look at that. Like just one more notch of going up and it's in its max. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that little bend that you see there from the forklift, it's already bending just like the tape measure, like how I told you. And this is where it gets sketchy. Oh, hello. Tight to the window, Carlos. Carlos has to put the stencil right tight against it to make this wall cap for the exterior work. Okay, guys. So giving you guys an update. We're still on the 4th floor. We had some complications and I didn't want you guys being here for the whole part of us trying to resolve it because it took forever. But we finally got it. We got the guy that was inside helping us out to make this mock-up work. All right, guys, we finished up. Thanks to Carlos and ¿cómo se llama?
Carlos too.
Oh, thanks to Carlos and Carlos. Ready to go down?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Persinate. Be careful the window.
Yes, sir.
one day.
Yes, sir. There it is, guys. We're done for the day today. Mission accomplished. We were only able to do one mock-up for this whole niche area for 7900. They wanted to do two, which is a level 3 and 4, but we couldn't get up to the 4th floor because the machine just didn't allow us. It was too high. It's been a while that you guys haven't came to work with me, and I appreciate it. So thank you guys for joining me today at work with Carlos, and that's it. We're done for the day. It was pretty much easy, and now I'm going home. Today's actually a beautiful day that I want to do something with Jasmine and Camila, so that's why I'm headed out right now to Camila and Jasmine. What is up with my nose? I keep scratching it like, oh my god, like okay, I think I got it. So yeah, so thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, that like, and that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time. So firme out.